We're going to start with our red word reading review, and we're going to use our lock and load and arm tap technique. So you ready? All right. Is, lock and load.
Is, I-S, is.
Was, lock and load.
Was, W-A-S, was.
Good job. For, lock and load.
For, F-O-R, for.
The, lock and load.
The, T-H-E, the.
Good job. Now we're going to do our spelling review. And with our spelling review, we're going to do the lock and load and the arm tap technique, but I'm not going to show you the cards, okay?
Okay.
All right. His, lock and load.
His, H-I-S, his.
Has, lock and load.
Has, H-A-S, has.
And, lock and load.
And, A-N-D, and.
Of, lock and load.
Of, O-F, of.
Excellent. Okay, now we're going to move on to introduce our new red word. And our new red word is she. She is my favorite person. She has on a red shirt. Can you use she in a sentence?
She is very pretty.
Good job. All right. Now I'm going to give you a bumpy screen and the word she. And I would like you to write in red crayon, trace she, and say each letter as you say it. Go over it 3 times.
S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she.
Excellent. Now hold the word card in front of you. And we're going to use our lock and load technique to spell she. Okay? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
That arm goes up. Lock and load, she.
She. S-H-E, she.
Lock and load, she.
S-H-E, she.
Lock and load,
She. S-H-E, she.
good job. Excellent. Now, I'm going to have you finger trace she 3 times and say each letter as you trace the letters.
S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she.
Good job. Now we're going to skywrite the letters in big letters in the sky 3 times each. Well, 3 times. You can start.
S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she.
Good. Next, I'm going to give you a sheet of lined paper and the red crayon. And I would like you to write the word she 3 times and underline it after each time you write it.
She.
A little louder.
S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she.
All right, good job. Now turn your paper over. And I want you to write the word she from memory using a pencil this time, okay?
S-H-E, she.
Good job. Now I'm going to give you some sentences to write using the word she, and you're going to pound those sentences out. So, I'm going to repeat the sentence 2 times and then you pound it.
Okay.
She can fan the man. She can fan the man.
She can fan the man.
Now write it. And don't forget your punctuation and your capitalization. All right, our next sentence. Did she sit on the sod? Did she sit on the sod?
Did she sit on the sod?
Now write it. Good job. Now I'm going to give you a clean copy, and you can look those over and see if you wrote the same thing I said.
She can fan the man. Did she sit on the sod?
Excellent. Good job. Very good.